Hi, Mimi! Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa mall. Coco and Lele. Daddy and Mimi also. Hi! As you can see, papunta kami ng grocery. And I will show you kung ano ang mga prices ng mga bilihin dito. Let's go! Are you ready for the prices? Ayan, we are entering. Makikita ninyo ang mga mansanas ay $2.90. The grapes, green, $3.50, and the pumpkin, it's $1.50. So basically, hoy! Right now kasi it's 3 o'clock na in the afternoon. Sale na yung iba. Yan ang strawberry. Kuha tayo isa. Talia wants some strawberries. This is $4.50. Okay. So that's the Red Bull price. The sodas, $2.15. Mga mochi. Dami oh. Sarap. Macaroons. They don't have the price.
High protein.
Meron na dito mga option para sa mga healthy. Ayan oh, ang mahal maging healthy. $9 isa. Yan, mga sale. 40 off. Soft drinks. Pag marami yung kukunin mo. 40 off. Hi, Mimi. This is your area. You can look.
Oh, which one do you want?
Ayan, she likes that.
This one?
That's only 1.8.
This one or this one?
This one. Ayan.
Ayun.
Get another flavor.
What flavor? Oh, we won't get
80 yan. Ooh, you like it? Berries, only 1.8. Ito. I'm always buying one for a Mimi. Lagi kasing nawawala. So this is $10. And different brand maybe. And this is $10. Ayan, so basically, nandito tayo sa pang baby. Ito. Feminine wash. Get that. This is only $10 isang box. That's cheap. And that's, ano ha, 6 pieces. That's sale na. Wow. Alam na natin bumili ng sale. Okay, I'm going to buy a shampoo for my hair. And this is Sunsilk for $4, guys. Panadol. Yeah, we always need this just in case. Kasi pag malamig na, maraming nilalagnat. So, isang Panadol is $5.57. So, dalawa lang allowed per family. So, we'll get that. There, we need the Listerine. This is $5. The big one that we got, this one, this is only 8.4, so it's better, no? Kasi, 8.40. Yeah, this is 8.40. Wow, savings, ha?
Savings.
Is that you?
No.
This is a shower gel. It's only $3.20. Good girl. Okay. Chicken tender, $6 now.
Yeah, this is easy to cook.
Okay. Mimi likes it. Okay. It's $5.50. $2.20 lang. Ito kapag wala kaming luto. Masarap to, guys. This is $2.20. So we only get 2 na lang. 2 lang. Noodles. You want beef, chicken, or chicken? Chicken yung gusto ni Daddy. This is $2.50 isa. $2.50. So we'll get. This is only for $2 for $5. So we'll get 2 because it's sale.
2 sauces. Hey, do we have bottle?
Huh?
She wants the tomato sauce.
Okay, we'll get the tomato sauce. What did you get? na kami sa
The best
chocolate.
section for fitness break.
Oh, she likes it. Nasa aisle kami ng soft drink. So, look at the Pepsi, 2 for $4. Sprite is $2.10. Lemonade, 2.4. Really? It's $2. Takaw?
Wait.
We'll also get 1 milk. That's only $3. Ooh! Is it sale? So we got Just Juice. 24.70. 6 pieces na yan. So eating? Ito. 2.50. Yeah.
Try it.
You're gonna pay naman.
I know.
Ba yan? Kailangan 2. Kasi dalawa. Kuha ko ng caram milk. Snickers 1. 2 for $7. So I'll get this. Orange juice nila. It's only 5.30. Sale sila ngayon. Sale. May Milo din dito. Oh. $8. Yan, Milo. Yung favorite naman ni Andy. Pero meron pa tayo sa bahay. Huwag mo na tayong bumili. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang Vegemite. Hindi ko pa ito nasusubukan. This is $6.50. Soon. Dito na tayo sa healthy aisle.
Finally in the healthy section. Bananas. It's not too healthy so far. But we'll get there, It's all about balance. The storybook. $3.99.
Ayan, tapos na yung grocery namin. And I hope you will like our videos and please subscribe!